Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I am filming in my daughter's room today. So I wanted to share with you guys how it is that I store my daughter's clothing. She is 3 years old, so she's headed towards that stage of wanting to be more independent and getting to the stage where she wants to start dressing herself. So I have her clothing set up in a way that makes it easier for her to be able to do that and have her independence and be able to pick out clothes that she wants to wear. And I wanted to share with you guys how I have that set up in her closet. So in her bedroom, she does not have a dresser, and I don't have a dresser either, because we make use of the room in our closet, so there's no need for any other bulky furniture. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is my daughter's closet. I just wanted to give you guys just like a little overview of everything that I have in here, and then I'll get right into how I have her clothing organized. So she really doesn't have much hung up, just a couple of dresses. Up at the top, she just has a basket with purses and backpacks that she likes to play with. And I just have an empty basket up there for dirty clothes, or if I need to go through her clothing and remove things that don't fit her anymore, I can just put them in there. She has, in these two baskets, this one and this container, she has hair ties and hair bows. And this is where I keep her clothing. So she has 4 boxes total, and I purchased these pull-out boxes from Walmart for very inexpensive, and that's what I use to store her clothing. And I just labeled the outside of them with labels that I purchased from the Container Store. The first box is her tops, and you can see that I have the word tops spelled out, and I drew a little picture of a shirt. So she's still not able to read yet, but she can recognize the picture. And the next one is bottoms, and then I have a picture of little bottoms drawn on there so she can recognize what's in there. In this box I have her socks, and the last one are her pajamas. And that's how I have her clothing set up. So I fold her clothing and I store them in here, and I'm not, too much of a stickler of how it's in there because she's still little, so she's going to mess things up, so I'm not worried about it staying perfectly folded. But the point is just to make it easy for her to be able to pull out the box and take out whatever top that she wants to wear, and vice versa with bottoms as well as socks and pajamas. So it just kind of helps her with her independence and just encouraging her to dress herself. I hope that this video was helpful for you and that you were able to get some tips and ideas when it comes to encouraging your kids to start dressing themselves. Thank you so much guys for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye!